Donovan Smith is an American professional football offensive tackle. He played college football for the Penn State Nittany Lions and was selected by the Tampa Bay Buccaneers in the second round of the 2015 NFL Draft. Smith attended Penn State from 2011 to 2014. After redshirting his first year, Smith became a starter in 2012 and would start 31 games during his career. After the 2014 season, Smith decided to forgo his final year of eligibility and entered the 2015 NFL Draft. Smith was born in Hempstead, New York and lived in New York until he and his twin sister moved to Owings Mills, Maryland prior to their sophomore year in high school to live with their uncle and his wife. He attended Owings Mills High School where he played football. He did not allow a single sack as a junior or senior and also was a standout defensive lineman. Smith played in the 2011 U.S. Army All-American Bowl. Smith also participated in track and field. Smith was rated by Rivals.com as a 4-star recruit and was ranked as the 9th best offensive tackle in his class. He committed to Penn State to play college football. He was a 3-year starter at Penn State University after being redshirted as a freshman. He left school a year early to enter the NFL Draft. He was an all-state player in high school and played on both sides of the ball. He has a degree in criminology from Penn State. He grew up in New York before moving to Maryland while in high school. He has 4 siblings, 3 sisters and a brother. He has a child named Sarah with his ex-wife Kayla Bishop.